All right, and so Kerrigan, we were watching this yesterday. A lot of us here were texting about what was going on, and there was this sinking feeling as we were looking at the velocity mode on radar, which is what we have behind us here. And we don't see things like this often, certainly when it's not a hurricane situation, right? I mean,
those bright colors.
Yeah. That dark blue coming out of the northwest area. And I mean, if you could pick it couldn't be more accurate if you were aiming for like downtown Houston. I mean, it was that exact track. It went right into the heart of the city, and we saw what it looked like. But the winds here, I mean, what do you think based on what the radar looked like? Yeah,
I say the winds were definitely over 80 miles per hour. I would say for sure with this giving a situation, you can see as it crossed Houston, it impacted a large population of people. Generally, whenever we're tracking these storms, it's the outskirts of town. It's rare that it crosses directly across a 610 loop like that, so people's eyes were glued to what was happening outside.
And at one point, I will say real quick, the radar was measuring somewhere in the storm, not necessarily down at the ground, but somewhere in the storm, winds were moving at 127 miles per hour. I mean, that was measured by the radar in this velocity mode at some point yesterday. So it's no surprise that we have all that damage out there.